Yo, ebusia for everybody, Kyekyeku children. I greet everybody. Please, right now I'm at Luscious
Avenue.
Avenue.
AV. Hey, where is Legon? Avenue.
Yes, Avenue. Charlie, hey, it's all about say person looking nice. Say you would see your hair barbering and your hair.
So it's manicure, pedicure, barbering, dreadlocks, cutting, everything.
Yeah. Yes, and your branch is near me, you know. Your East Legon and I feel Betrayal.
East Legon, you
that's it. Come in your numbers. Come Baba, because here is where Ababa.
Okay.
And everybody Baba. So
yes, we are to a manicure.
And pedicure. So come and be nice and see everything nice. So here is Luscious Avenue. Come in your numbers. We say so. Blessings.
Active.
Yes, sir.
Understand music.
Get a swag, Friend requesty. Am I
Tagging it to me,
yo? Like too hard for the boys. You change your bus to any choice. My brand new right is a dice bat. Nobody knows since it's two with the fight. It's the first born penny. Esha brand and the boost for penny. Uber street in the swag them 20. Nyameti say it's the first born penny. Make sure I go for shortcuts and then I come a year and so on that. What been the mojenous sound so not infa. Since they were a year and I do be also wonder. First born bread and a last born bread. My man friend in the air, me share bread, but go so good say any answer. Go do trust and chair your best rate. You go fit send this message to my mama. Money soon be a bear kama. Nyameti I say work hustle and pray. We day on the street with the work every day. Yamiti be a ye. From to a door be a bit ye. A blue go see a give ye say that Yamiti I seem to be a bit
and Wabusian and Fayonku, Adiachi, and pray won't a home rabasso, a boss of Bavia, a boss of Sambon Cat, Yano, even Figo, a no Yarudo. Messi or Bryoku, and Wabusian and Fayonku, Adiachi, and pray won't a home rabasso, a boss of Bavia, a boss of Sambon Cat, Yano, even Figo.
No my no any leader. Or mama supporting this in any pillars. The same people no more support haters. Yamati and some native boom chain speakers. The nyame niggas. No ma sunshine need to be happen. Sometimes life sometimes no ma. You dream so and from I said I come a brain big love to true did I said I come a radical.
I don't know where you win. Where they were?
Oh, also there were.
Me be see obi. Now also where they were.
Oh, say me.
I thought ben show sano.
Because Amanda who?
Amanda.
Me next girlfriend.
See, na tare na show no.
Because some be again or ten chene di no. Get bitin and get kuku bi. No be a me be obi me just say so say me man no. Ansa na me wura ho nintino. Obi a wo si ade no wo hwe nsu no di si ade no. Egu atadi mafo no.
Sesen, I no entokwa na ne ko ana.
Se o se man chia na mebusa na sem.
Eno no keke. Wo de menji wundi o. Menye so se ntia keke nti obesori afa nsu agu ho.
Afani ene simi ofie na ne me pata for France.
Na we na ehye na se ho afa na de na ho fa ho sa na to ahye ma atare.
Na fa ho sa na nti se afani.
Ne ka ata no ofie no chen.
Ba dwa me honam de me honam.
Nti na Amanda no we.
Ono se che no no be pie so, but eno hu hia onum. Wo de simi fie na me nsa me honam me why? Atade na hye me. Na no so aje so be 50 months. Is it
man that in the show?
Is it happening? See me ofie na me.
I saw the need now for it. Come to my show the
Okasa wa see me fie keke no so I just say gina be wana.
So, you be fi se bia me pewa se me kasa che wa hunti betena se de betena se.
Me nya Amanda.
Ben kasa ja no na dem si ja. Na be ka che nze me de me mpo yi.
E se kasa be na kasa che me minti.
There be se wan kasa ro tu fu hunti.
Ada wutwa me.
Say.
Se o phone dey say abenya foforo.
Me choa dey.
Say my dey say.
Come say.
You bu phone bi.
Na phone dey Kobby. And
Kobby already book. Say.
Phone already.
Ka no say jimi. Book Kobby mu say. If I'm coffee.
Already am see Kobby no. Idiot.
Around this time, music.
Dear Penna.
George. George. Me person me no drink
Oh, sir. Me dey say me dey me open. Bibia obetimi ameka. Ade. Yeah.
How?
Oh. What at all? Okay. You can speak. Just talk. Okay. Yeah.
The TN say, who said on my catch say my last relationship was about 6 years ago. Eko 8 more.
Yeah. Yeah.
And no me ankasa de free that time no me share be me bia. And I no bia so ndidi nkomo bia fa relationship ho anase bibisa. But na me say, also can say I miss me broken heart na chini miss me ne oba bia ni nkomo if you say me nya broken heart no me hu oba bia say me hu as wicked love is wicked as a masquerade mask anti if you want it dear e be pe me na me hu oba bia or me life mo e be pe me na hu baby still oh debi say Christ hu baby debi say me talk adakwa yadom. Now, one say, sir. Yes, because of a member Timothy. So, Timothy, sister, yeah, bro. Dear me, family in Tinama, I'm scared. But when we said you were here, we need to be a would you mean true? Who name me? Me cramisa, if you say me so me nya broken at me who ma say who love is wicked love. I say who cry that's me who sir. I say also a very camp. I don't know. I say me who be I say me who different cry. Me dey me who ju. Me ti me who. Eno cry. Nyo cry na be can say me ben we ya me who sampa we oba. Me oba. Pa. George, inti wosha inimunimu ya opepe so be into a relationship and I say ka wo train amana chikakra wosha because me dey me nya bi sese ya mepe wo nya bi mprimprin ya nyana sese no na wo ha wo hwa ni say unya ka be ko relationship mu sisi serious relationship pa empanatwe den full time empanatwe me so me sa ka minya but me pay the right person me so me pay the right person sir yes minya sa right person na ka me na twempna mpena mo tin bi munya ida debi ejai sa kwan me so minya the right person me so me ne be twempre mo de ati sa ate ebete I'm going to say be ate and I'm nya so kwase bete ka minya bibi sa ka be bua me pa sanse si die me bre pa relationship no ha me I can mean ya be at the side, but I don't know. Oh, preparation to say.
Oh, my dear, minion is a say, yeah, it's a
How an instant, yeah. There's an instant healing. Yeah, Miss Minya, an instant, and cover bomb bet. I don't know.
Unyan instant, I was so poor.
Oh, yeah, me, instant, and papa.
Say, yeah, it's
currently, so soon an instant happy.
Say, Kobby, and some pa major too.
Yes, Miss Albana, some palms major to Miss. A simple Eddie.
George.
My dear Penna.
Oh, George.
Oh, my dear Penna.
Oh, my fairy cry.
I'm so shy. I'm so shy. That's a window be an individual. And primping, yes. Currently.
No, so no, you're anybody.
Nina.
To say, and the empire to Mamma.
Found one Mediano.
Oh, George.
Oh, my dear Penna.
Oh, George.
My dear Penna.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secrets.
Guess what?
Amanda, what's up?
Me ohana Nick by
Nick, your boyfriend Nick. Oh,
please, he's now my ex.
seriously?
Oh yes,
Relax.
my ex Nick.
It haven't gotten to that. Your ex.
Excuse me. He's now my ex.
Wow. What happened?
What happened there? What happened?
Just me.
Me ohana by I say Amanda, and then on my year I tell something to not you, blah blah blah. Then again I to look at you.
Wow.
Wow, dear, wow.
Maybe I know you're serious. But Amanda, you know men are the same. Why don't you just relax for him? You've been with this guy for 3 good years. Remember that? 3 years. It's not easy to move on just like that. And men are the same. You don't know who you're going to meet the next. So you should just relax with him, get to know him more. Maybe there's something more juicier in the future, you know.
Madam advisor. Saboteur in you.
Amanda, you know I'm your friend.
I know you are my friend. 3 years now working on. I've been through hell. And when me pa me come home some trail. At times me better will feel I shed tears. Into my thoughts, even I'm telling you this, Granny, you are going to be happy for me.
I'm happy.
Oh, Becca Relax. I should
Relax,
exercise patience for you for me.
Please
I
relax.
beg, happy if I find one of any years.
Oh,
I know
Amanda.
happy, please.
I know, right?
You see, I'm the way you can, so I think you have to.
Yeah. But you know, with men, I think Nick really likes you. You should just relax for him. I mean, you know what I've been through. I've been through hell. You know everything about me. That's why I made me name more. Men there. But the way I see Nick with you, I really like that. And I wouldn't advise you to leave him for anything. Relax. Yeah, when I'm
Also, right now. And your face. Oh my goodness.
Hey, man, yeah. I mean,
You mean?
but on the most serious note, Amanda, I really like you. And I love the way things are going on with you. Just relax with you. Just be so giddy. That's why me mama mo buy. Because the next person, easy sound. They'll just use you anyhow. And dump you.
Right now, for the here really some go into any relationship if you are.
Sure.
Actually, I'm being active from make sure you're correct.
Don't take my steps so. Because me right now, me chilly. One was there, my egg is my pay should be alright. But
Nick, you're correct.
Oh, Nick, I really like Nick. You know Nick. Nick is not stingy, you know.
Hey, Didi, another way comes right now.
It's okay. Charlie, it's not easy.
Yo, Charlie.
And then kaka. You just have to relax with him, okay? Yeah, they're fine.
Why it's fine late actually.
Oh, me, I don't know. And says, "I want to be to Buba, mammy." Hey,
Why never saw the amount?
but
Look at you. Me or me come
David, I'm tell you. Only so on the bar, Sanya man only. Amanda, cheers.
You are not doing no to be more better something better. Something.
I know, right? I trust you. You're my girl now.
Abba. That's a day.
All right. And she look at an free Hawaii. A bending.
No class we need to say. Where's on
If I bending. Put me on your copy. I'll free Hawaii.
no copy. Who's in trouble class? Me too. Careful.
This is it's me having Hawaii. This is on the baby and the first one is adding.
Understand music.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Why today you didn't bring your white car?
No.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
I like this one too. This is my favorite car. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
My friend was, maybe packing her, my friend, one, I won't fa.
Oh.
Let me call site and so project, no.
Ah.
My friend, my message, no phone away.
Oh, inside.
Ah.
Me never for me PR me FMPO.
Quite let me feel so weird, you man. Tell me why I say me shower.
Ah, not dear my uncle.
Are they?
Me can't in your fort canteen.
Oh, I say.
And yes, I say, but was a car the house with maintenance. To me, the call fitting shop servicing.
Oh, that's
yeah.
Okay. Your friend is saying, maybe project manager know what I say.
You want to feel young?
Also, I feel no more since me name will 1 or 2.
What a plan be?
Oh, Debbie.
Come here, plan, happy with you.
Hey,
oh, we will plan me.
Why not draft it?
Boy.
Yeah,
it's just a joke.
Let's say, in person, me question one, but so saying the one question.
Oh, that you.
Baby.
Oh,
baby, it's from my heart.
Oh, I know, but no. I don't receive.
Baby,
I don't receive money from guests.
Okay, you wake up, send on the sir.
No. I don't. We need 200.
200.
Me niece can feel my house and I me feel some way.
200.
That's what kind.
Davy.
Oh, I did. Yeah, I said, "Oh, my just my
info." Baby, man, yes, son, it's not what nature cheat. In fact, all one. So send a one. If I paid you, I need you.
Me just can feel my house and
oh, baby, won't you call me? What do you know your horse? What do you? How come you to me? My dear,
God bless you.
Bless you.
And I'm so surprised, but it's okay. You let me count it first.
Please do. Mommy, show me pan why?
I can't go home.
Me remu hono mo.
Oh, okay.
Baby.
All right. There been a mess one na so many kan yi. Oba abesi atiributum amemska. A girl giving me money. First time in history. This is kind of one son kind so can say me more say nti Sada Lumba camper. Also order for pa man tem kra. Oh. Kobby. Me na the people. Adepana. Na, when I show
No, mommy hug.
How can it be? I can't. I don't know. I don't know who said Hanamo.
Oh, then so catch him so you tomorrow. I say.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised.
This for you. Me call lunch East Legon, and I'm so I'm into him. Say I had a year. We do how be anymore. Mr. George, Mr. George, so no one knows.
Wow, this is so surprising. Why am I going to say be over? I can't just have a warm hot. This is just a surprise. Oh wow, I really appreciate it.
That's all.
And thank you. Wow. Is it plain rice or jollof? Assorted jollof.
Yeah.
And that's my favorite.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow.
I
like it. I like it. Thank you. And I really would appreciate you. I like everything that you do.
Baby.
Do you want to sit inside my car or you are going right now?
No. What? Me pack it here.
Oh, I'll pack it.
Aye.
Okay. Then let me escort you to your car. Wow. I'm so impressed. How you are taking this thing to go far. Like, I didn't mean you can do that.
You didn't know?
Yeah, I didn't know. Wow.
You know what? I love you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, Mr. George.
Oh, you make me blushing.
Oh, you don't blush.
Yeah. Oh, then take it. Because I'm a funny person because Mr. Kiara gave every to the point where Timmy call lunch at Tobiabra or Bob Bay and my phone, my brother, what may be see. I didn't see. Anything. On the true one.
I mean, hi,
on Cassie, neither.
Oh, Mr. George.
I was about me who for them can have make out. Oh, wow. Mati, any Uba, no frame now. My son. Okay.
Mr. George.
What is that? Now, where you be? Okay. And yeah, why? Oba, why? Okay. Ebo, Nyankopon na nam obi so ama enema ti na Jeffrey me abrabo mu nyina. All we praise and answer there. Because this thing is unbelievable. Tipa di na beka dey we akom say. On to some provisions we nyina. And I make boarding house.
Na fenomena SS mu kwan fofra me beko. Hweniema. Sadi. Ede. Ai. Say, I'm chilling. Only I didn't could chill change see I feel no better no foot to himself. I unless me so grass me who they may. I don't know.
They say when the trumpet is blown in an empire, the sound that comes out means two things. It's either there is something good happened or something bad. Amanda, I'm disappointed in you. It's Amanda, taxi driver. Taxi driver no what American House Station one. And it's Amanda, oh pray who minujai. Oh no. No. All right. A chopper has me power in my power. As someone has me can Amanda my catcher. But I will say, still. Pay me be more. Many weekend. Matthias here. Nemo. Say what? Me you are dancing.
Hey, we are dancing.
Oh yeah. So when him say me you Amanda.
Me you are dancing, Patricia.
Debut, is this a trap or a prank? Ade mummy no mo sheda na mo frame me betina ha say mo be keka sansem we dia atwere me anase say ah
ye me enu say
no mummy no mo sheda na mo invite me say member
since when na niko be ye madam fo
wo bi sam say since when na niko be ye wo madam fo debi mo sheda na mo frame me betina say mo be keka niama we atwere me anase dey
niama bride dey umu no kra o umu bride kete taxi driver enti na wo kasa bride I don't know where you're Amanda. Huh? It's taxi driver, no better than Ahuofe for. Taxi driver, Nancy. Who baby Jai with 3 years relationship. At the Ama Obia, Ushian just 1 day. Time a year for car. Huh?
Are you serious?
No, Amanda, I say, I don't know, but I say, what is wrong with you?
I'm sick.
Oh. Mate, but me, mama ka samu ncho.
Sewa, mi jare.
Bema na wo ye ne sa no. Bema na wo ye ne sa no. A wo ye ne sa no bra we. So wo ja no to hwa obi be fo. Obi be fo.
What kind of friend is this?
All right, Amanda. Ewo wa kuma mu. Boa wonim se me Nicholas. Menye obone bia. And so the wo kan say me umpe me bi mo mate. Nemo be was some not any year. Me say one can me and soon. Obeka say. Thank you.
Nick, a minute. Men Kyle, because 3 years in a relationship, when you're she mommy. When you're she mommy, men Kyle. Hey, say what?
I didn't we and Amy.
Hey, no, we are pushing basa.
I dear bra we ya ma pa we ya bra is me ya wo.
Are you serious?
They know the year. Wo dey kan dey ba kwa bra dey. Wo so ye masem. Oba ben na wakoche one bra we da.
Hey, me no me ho. Hey, I curse the day Michelle me friend wo as a friend. I curse that very day. We ni pa boni ni papa. Inti me no na ma me no ko ba nyina me no di nkoma. Na wo taxi driver we yasa me the train no. Has it gotten to that? Hey, now I trusted you as a sister, not even a friend. But my name so wait me betray me to this level.
How did I betray you?
Really?
How did I betray you?
What's make it come and taxi driver and want some the train make?
Ah, may correct so say. Bema only not 3 years.
I'm disappointed in you. My yes so much disappointed.
Don't worry.
If we never
me na ma no pass ma me come answer. Na ma men kan se me ncho. Bema na weja no. Obi be fa. Na so obi fa e mesu wa ha.
Na men can be been show. Ever since I started say me no now and Bema say na oni o 94. Omo nyina mo ba na omo ko. Ba ko kra ni wa ba be power choda, right? And so who feel say he's the right man for you, I'll go for it.
For me, say.
Is
that who pian?
Go. Oh yes.
So if I think feel say, right person,
go for it. Why? My stamp is so the amount. Nonsense.
It's who chef am so ko Amanda.
Me chef for 3 shop.
Wait, there's some many money. Amanda, what you have from Swafo? Because I may cast and Papa show. When the Bema date is 3 solid years. Obi mpa obi pe. This generation ankasa no. Sa de papa be ya ye hu. I just assure ye. Na me bra neck no. Me nkasa bebre. Amanda na nkasa ono obeta me ka. Obeta me ka.
Random Stone Music.